Alrighty. Well, since it's nice and cold out, we got our first snow squall this morning. It looks like it dried up a little bit, but it's cold. It's gonna be 25 degrees tonight for a low. So I thought we're gonna make chili. How we make our chili here is a can of kidney beans, large can, 2 small cans of pinto, our soup base that we make in the fall, and we're gonna put 1.5 pounds of hamburger in it, which is in the sink thawing now, and some spices, some chili spices and so forth. Put it in a crock pot and I'm gonna let it cook all day. So when she gets home from work and the little grandson gets home from school, we will have a good meal. It'll be nice and warm. May make cornbread, I don't know yet. Got a rather long list of things to do, but we'll see. So, also, when I was down there getting my soup base, I found a jar that was popped. Don't know if you can see the green. You can hear that? So, that's why we take the rings off the jar. After they seal, we take the rings off the jar, because if we left the ring, it would make a false seal and could potentially get us sick. So I lost this, but it's okay. I'd much rather lose that than get sick. So, we're going to pop the soup base off. See if I can't get you more into the picture there. How about that? There's a nice seal. It smells amazing. I don't know what she's got into it, but she will tell me. And also, throw my lids away and I wash my jars. We'll refill those. So let me open up these cans and put them in here. Alright, beans are in. So now I'm going to add my spices. In a previous video, we dehydrated some green peppers. We had a lot of green peppers this year, so we dehydrated them. I grinded them up in a previous video, put them in a jar, vacuum sealed the jar. So we're going to add some of the seasoning here to that. I like the taste of the peppers, but I don't like the texture of the peppers when they're cooked. It's really weird. I know, I'm strange. I'll eat raw peppers all day long, but a cooked pepper just has something with taste. So what I'll do is I'll take a little spoon of this, big old tablespoonful, and I'll just sprinkle it in there. And we also have, same thing with onions. Onions are the same way. I don't like the texture of a cooked onion. I know, I'm strange, but for some reason I love dehydrated onions. Don't ask me why. It works. My wife says I'm strange, so I'll just put a bunch of it in there. And store-bought chili powder, just because it's all mixed together seasoned wise. And what I'll do is I'll put a bunch in here. We'll stir all that in. I'll turn it on a high. I still got the meat, the hamburger thawing out, so I'll cook it up here a little bit later, drain any grease off of it and add it to this. But right now I want to get this part of it started in cooking. I'll let this cook down for a while. I'll come taste test it, and then I'll adjust my spices as needed. That's how I do it. I don't really measure much anything, to be honest with you. So that is in here. It is on high. All right. Okay. Well, I was making chili, and crock pot wasn't getting hot. So I had to revert to, or put the chili into, a regular pan. So I lost my crock pot. It died. Finally gave up. So here, I got it to boil, and I'm just going to put it on a low simmer. And it's got a lot of spices in it. It's got those peppers, that ground up pepper, onions. So I'm going to sit here and let it simmer. And I'm going to go outside and do a few chores. So we'll let that cook. It already smells good in here since it's starting to heat up. But I lost my crock pot.